It's your girl Espedo. Hey. Pull up to the spot with my niggas. Yeah. Feeling damn right, and you ready for the night? Got 9, 10 bad bitches with us. And they getting right, they gon' do what we like.
See, if I only had one time, I make it be worth everything up in this short time. And even if I had nothing, it always been mine. See, what you claim could be your walk of fame, you see in time. That was given, ain't always a way to make a living. And if you trippin', you get back up and handle your business. A lot of you young niggas is getting this game twisted. Fuck around and wait till it's late and they say you missed it. Cause while you thinking that you got it sweet, it be them younger niggas that be the reason your ass is 6 feet deep, trying to roll in these mean streets. See, my lesson learned, now I'm trying to grow and create peace. How y'all killers and get mad when you flatline? It's fucked up, they judging us before the crime. And these young blacks is going out before they time. You boy, you tame yourself. Nowadays, these parents ain't no help. Instead of being your friend, they should have been and got that belt. The generation is lost. We got to get them back. And if they don't change now, just know that it's a wrap. You see, it's never too late. We just can't look back. And them same fools that's rolling with you, they ain't got your back. If I had a genie, we wouldn't be so greedy. If I had one time, I'd give it to the needy. I wish my granny was here. I really miss her daily. My nephew smiling down too. My little man feel me. I see it gotta be a better way. Show the youth that what you do can cause people pain. I see we gotta make better days. Rest in peace to my people that ain't here today. If you only had one time to shine, what would you do? How would you move? How would you grind? If you only had one time to shine, what would you do? How would you move? How would you grind? Try me.
This is a message, man. You wanna know what your life's like? You gotta fight. No matter what people say, that's how you make it right. As you can see what you want, don't come that easily. So what you do, just try to be all that you can be. But mama said it would be days like this, And when you young, you ain't trying to hear shit, So all you do is sit back and reminisce. Like, oh man, I should've did this and this. Smoking that L in my long chair. I remember when I had long hair. Then I felt like I ain't belong there. So I chopped it off and it came with a cost.